So at Nabholz, what we've done is tried to come up with a design that answers some of the challenging questions that we've had in the past with other drop tables. We've tried to make a much cleaner design where all of the components and all the motors are hidden below a level deck that the operators can walk upon without actually running into motors, wiring, that sort of thing.
We manufacture all the drop table components here in Northwest Arkansas. We have fabricators, CNC techs, certified welders to help manufacture those. As our fabricators work closely with the engineers, we're able to make adjustments during the fabrication process.
Our system is very modular, easily upgradable to newer safety features and smart technology that makes the table more accurate for positioning, lifting, and also overload sensing.
We use two individual 20 horsepower motors that are coupled to an absolute encoder that actually gives a feedback to the motor. It tells us how many amps we're pulling and also what each of the positions are between the two motors from side to side.
One of the features of our new table is an inclinometer used for detecting the tilt of the table. This is a nice solution because it's one unit to test all four corners.
Our tables are also equipped with a high-end Allen Bradley PLC.
But the one interesting thing that we've done different in the lifting columns that no other manufacturer has done at this point is to come up with a method of measuring the nut wear in each one of the lifting screws.
We have an analog sensor on all four of the nuts, which will indicate exactly how much wear is being done on the table.
These analog sensors are continuous feedback, so you can tell if any of the corners are wearing faster or when you might need to replace nuts.
The new lifting nuts that are being installed just makes your job easy compared to other drop tables. If a breakdown happens, it's easy to replace parts. Downtime also becomes short.
We build over 90% of the assemblies that we use in-house. We also offer ready-made assemblies for spare parts, which we can keep on site here, so we can readily ship that to them to get them back up and running sooner than somebody having to order parts and manufacture that. A lot of the guys who do the same fabrication will go out and do the installation of that table, so they're very familiar with the table and understand what it takes to make the operation run successfully.
Nabholz being in the manufacturing business is kind of a game changer for us. Previous to this experience, we were able to go in and build the building, build the specialized pits, do the excavation, the site work, all those things, and then now we've taken it up one step in the ability to engineer, design, modify to fit existing pits, or even to build a brand new pit ground up. So it's one more thing that complements the other suite of services we provide.